Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to download Canva image in high quality. This is canva.com website, and in order to download a Canva image in high quality, first you need to create a custom design by clicking on create a design instead of going with pre-sized templates. Select custom size and fill in a high width and height, for example 5000 pixel times 5000 pixel. Now click on create new design. As you can see, this is the dimensions of my template. Now you need to also use high quality images, the highest possible size. As you can see, let's add this picture to our template. Now make sure to resize it to take the whole image, and now click on share. And to download this Canva image in high quality, go to share, click on download. Make sure, I recommend you to select PNG instead of GPG. Here, make sure to use all the highest dimensions possible, and make sure to uncheck the compress file option to avoid lowering your image quality. After that, click on download and wait a moment. My Canva image is started downloading. As you can see, only this single image, it has a size of 16. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. It has a size of 16 megabytes. Let's open our high quality image, and as you can see, this is my high quality image from Canva. And this is how to download a Canva image in high quality. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.